What up, what up? This your boy SI Rico. Back for another one, just a quick little vid. If I sound funny to y'all, that's because I'm under the weather right now. I'm super sick, got a stuffy nose, but hey, we gonna get through it though, right? So y'all having a good day? I'm having a good day. So, obviously with old cars, y'all know there's no USB port in older cars. Like the Hatchie. But we finna put a USB port in a hatch. And oh yeah, look what came in. My AC. Hoopty. Super hoopty. The little AC fans. I'm gonna put on the dash. Just to stick up there. I already did some modding. I cut this bitch the hell up already. But yeah. Let's get to that though. So let me set y'all up on a tripod and I'm gonna show y'all what we doing. Okay, so now we already got the center console already taken out the car. Centerpiece. I'll put mine right here. To me, I thought that was a good spot. You can pick wherever spot you want to put your USB port. Here's mine's right here. Got an on and off switch. It was waterproof, but I took the little cover off. I like that. Not too many of them that I've seen have the little on and off switch. So I'm gonna wire mine into the cigarette lighter. Makes it a lot easier. There's power and there's a ground. So the white will obviously be power. The black right here will be ground. And we're just gonna get some wires, put them right here, and then wire those to the back of this and mount it in. Booyah. And that's all it is. It's real simple. What I do, get you a good amount of length. Measure how far you want that to be. That's good right there. That's perfect right about there. Cut. And then cut you the same piece, the same length. Then cut another piece, the same length. And then I'm gonna strip these bad boys. Make sure you don't have too much movement, which I still have some, so you want to crimp up here too. There we go, that's what we're looking for. And then I'm gonna do the other side. I know I should be using black and black and red, but I don't see how you would get it too much confused. Oh yeah, we will be hitting a dyno this Thursday, baby. Yep. I was gonna surprise y'all, but I was like, you know what? Forget it. I'm gonna just tell y'all. So all goes to plan. We will be on a dyno this Thursday at Powerhouse Motorsports in Victorville. My boy Jack's shop. I haven't been up there in a very long time. My boy Armin will be tuning my car. So we will see how that's gonna go. You know, every person with an older car should do this, because every plug nowadays is shit USB now. Every plug have a USB port. I mean, everything is powered by USB. So this is a good idea if you want to charge your phone. I know I need to charge my phone, so this was a must for me to do. So when you're all done, it should look something like this, just spliced into the two existing wires. Simple. So take the USB port right here, place it into whatever section you have cut out. Take the locking ring and lock it into place. Perfect. That's how it should look. Just like that. Nice. And then you just want to connect. This is ground, that would be negative. And this is power, that would be positive. Just like that. Negative, negative, positive, positive. So let's install this bad boy back into the car. Just put all your stuff back carefully. See if everything fits right. Everything look like it lines up. So far so cool. And plug your cigarette lighter in. I will show you guys how I have my kill switch, but that's for me to know and not y'all. So you want to plug your cigarette lighter back in. Okay, so now that we have the center console back in, all the screws back in, all the wires connected, so let's put the kill switch in and fire it up and see if she charges. Yeah, she's working fine, so let me plug my phone up. And yes, she is charging. Woo! Nice. Now your boy can have his phone charging in a whip. Now that's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah. So this was just a quick video, not too long. Just you know, how to install a USB port into a car that don't have one. It's real easy. You can wire it directly hardwired to the battery itself, to the ground. But why do that when you can wire it directly to the cigarette lighter or just to the fuses that's under your dashboard? So real easy, real simple install. This your boy SR Rico, and I catch y'all on the next one. I love y'all. Rate, comment, subscribe, hit that like button. I'm out. Peace. Peace.